This is the AUXITO 921 type automotive LED bulbs. There's no need to really take these out of the package right this moment because you can see exactly what's going on here. 2 rings of LEDs going all the way around on each bulb, plus LEDs inside in the center to face straight out. So that's going to light up not only the reflector that these are in, but also send light straight out. These are excellent bulbs, commonly used as reverse lights in vehicles. When you put the car in reverse, these come on, and these can directly replace your incandescent bulbs. I will tell you quite honestly that LED reverse lights are one of the best investments you can possibly make for your car, because when these turn on, it's almost like having headlights in the back of your vehicle. Not only can you see much better than you used to be able to, but other drivers are going to see you coming, without a question. So it certainly is a safety item, well worth the investment. These bulbs are also used in other applications in your vehicle, such as a high mount brake light or other things like that, usually found on the rear of the vehicle, but there may be other applications. You can of course look up and see exactly what type of bulb your car takes, and AUXITO likely has a light that is going to fit yours. You'll notice that these resemble the plain halogen bulbs, the original incandescent halogen bulbs, so they should be a direct fit for what you already have. And these put out 2600 lumens. What's also nice is their non-polarity. Now, some of these bulbs have polarity, so that means that if you plug them in, sometimes they won't work, and then you have to unplug it, turn it around 180 and plug it in. These don't have a polarity issue. You plug them in any old way you want, and they're going to work, because they can plug in this way or flip to 180, but it's going to work either which way, so there's not going to be any fussing around trying to figure out which way is right on both sides. And if you get them both wrong, then you got to do everything twice on both sides, and it gets to be a mess. So what's nice is these are non-polarity. You plug them in and they're just going to work. So now let's go take this out to the car and install them. Now the car I'm going to be installing this in is a 2003 Toyota Camry. Here's the back light. There's actually 4 bulbs in here. There's a marker light, turn signal, there's the reverse light, the one we're changing, and then a brake light down here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 3rd one down from the top. Now on the other side, they made it real easy on this car. There's a little panel. You just pop it open right there. Now we have a bulb way up top in here. Then the second one. Here's the 3rd, and a 4th one down here. This is the one in question that we want. Give that a twist. You see how it was straight up and down, and now it's turned that way. Wiggle it, and it'll pull out, and there is the old bulb right there. To change it, simply grab the bulb and pull it right out, and now we got the new bulb. Remember, no polarity. Just smash it right back in, and then we're all set. Plug it in like that. Let's give it a test before we install it. And there you can see it, nice and bright, much nicer than the original. Let me shut it, we'll install it. Okay, installation is the exact opposite of removal. Take it, just turn it, and feed it back in the socket. It will seat in there like that at that weird angle. And once you have it in there, you're just going to give it a twist like that, straight up and down right there, and it's installed. Put the cover back just like that, and it's all done. I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other side, and I'll show you the difference. It is amazing. This is a shot of what the original bulbs in the car look like. And now here are the new LED reverse lights. Much brighter. It's almost like having headlights in the back of the car. Let me shut the parking lights off so you can see just the reverse lights. It really almost looks like the front of a car is coming at you. This will allow other drivers to see you backing up. Doesn't matter what you drive, they are super bright. And here's a close-up shot of one of the lights. And now you can see how much light these AUXITO LED bulbs throw out behind the car. You can see it's incredibly bright. You'd never get that with the original bulbs of the car. You can also see the telephone pole that's there, that's very brightly lit, as well as the fence in the background. Remember, it's not just for you to be able to see, it's for other drivers to see you. And here is a split screen comparison, original bulbs on top and the much brighter AUXITO bulbs on the bottom. So once again, this was the AUXITO 921 type LED automotive bulbs. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description to the manufacturer's website where you can find this item available for sale. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.